One second, y'all. I'm these little champs, you know. So I'm here on MSP, and I'm going to be nice today. And so, I take it down. So this is one of my fans. She's one of my biggest fans, basically, on MSP. Okay, she said, let's show Mallory some love by sending her a request of gifts. Her username, Malinor, is she best? Amazing human being right here. P.S. It's true, she is the best at make it me smile. I'm sorry, I'm not judging you for your typing. I know you're probably young. Got some good ASMR there. So, I made these 3 outfits. I made this one. Made this outfit. Like waiting for it to freaking load, you know. This outfit. And, the lag is so freaking real. And this outfit. And she said she liked this outfit the most. So we're going to give this to her and we're going to send her a greet. Because she's so nice. My mother's talking about quesadillas. Not sure. No, I'm just joking. I hope y'all can't hear them. Nope, y'all definitely can. Let's wait for her to respond back. Okay, so I sent, okay, I'm gonna send you some gifts. Hope you're happy. She said, oh my gosh, excuse me, I'm not saying. Oh, she said, gee, thanks. Why wouldn't I be happy? I'm literally getting gifts from my favorite YouTuber. Let me put that back. I gotta tell her first. Okay, so let me try to remember. Okay. It was that bow. She probably won't, I don't know. So I got Starry. Oh yeah, guys, this is a scammer right here. She has been scamming many people. She's only 12 and she has so many defects and rares. Yeah, her name is Slack, whatever that thing is, and Cheer. I said, we'll show you that later, but I gotta hurry up and give this to her. Almost done. One more thing left. Gosh, who knows how far that thing is back. Or is she? What the? Where is it? Oh my gosh. There it is. I haven't given her the hair. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back once I give her everything. Okay, we're back and she has sent so many things. So I said open them all at once, BTW. Oh my gosh, it's lagging so. You are the best human who has ever lived. Thank you so much. And she thinks it's over. It is not over. Oh, it's not over yet. I just want to see if she responds. Guys, go friend my UK account. It's called Mallory is the Best. Yeah, because apparently I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm a hater. I don't even know that song. Everything's gonna be just fine. That's what my therapist said. Well, Yeesh. Oh wait, I have to go. It's not like on mobile. This will be my first. I have never given somebody a greet, so. 38 diamonds. So. Well, we broke as heck. Why is it just showing up VIP people? Let's take a picture of this. Let's see if she said anything. I'm confused. I don't know if she got the greet or not. I thought you weren't anywhere. Well, yeah. So that's it for this video. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and if you want to receive... She's got it confused. And if you want me to send you a greet like this, be nice to me, send greets and rares, you know, like send gifts without me asking for them. So yeah, bye guys!